Hot rods are an iconic symbol of American automotive culture. They represent speed, style, and individuality. Customizing cars and hot rodding has a rich history that we can explore dating back to the 1930s. Hot rods are typically vintage cars that have been modified for aesthetics and performance. Usually there is a bigger emphasis on the look of the car rather than performance, except at the drag strip, when performance is the only thing that matters. The term hot rod originated in the 1930s when car enthusiasts began modifying vehicles, a lot of Ford Model S induces, to make them faster and more powerful. But the real reasons hot rods became popular were all the extra military vehicles after World War II, which provided a cheap source of cars for customization, and the advancements in automotive technology that came about during 1940s, 50s, and 60s. These innovations allowed gearheads and grease monkeys to try all sorts of new modifications. Hot rod culture continued to gain momentum and popularity in California. Drag racing caught on and created a hobby where amateur car enthusiasts could show the speed and performance of their cars. This led to the formation of organized drag racing events and clubs for hot rodding. Over time, hot rodding evolved from simple modifications to elaborate custom builds. Hot rod builders now compete to showcase the full extent of their automotive creativity and craftsmanship. Today, hot rods continue to inspire and entertain automotive enthusiasts worldwide. There are shows, races, and communities dedicated to these cars and trucks. There is likely a club or two in your own town. I hope you enjoyed this short history of the hot rod culture. Thanks for watching.